Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to show you guys a really simple recipe that I love to make all summer long with tomatoes from my garden. It's called bruschetta. All it is tomatoes, garlic, basil, olive oil, vinegar, salt, seasonings, and it's ready to go. And everybody in my family loves it, and I think you will too. Start by slicing up your tomatoes. As many as you want, it doesn't matter, but just keep in mind it doesn't last that long in the fridge, so plan accordingly. So now I've got just enough tomatoes, I think, to feed me and one other person, so I'm gonna go ahead to the next step. Next, I'm gonna mince 1 clove of garlic. Now we're gonna add the basil. Now most recipes don't call for onion, but I like to add just a little bit. All right, so we're almost done. Now all we have to do is add a little bit of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Italian seasoning, and I like a little bit of salt. You can add pepper too if you like. Mix that around and you're ready to go. Serve it on some freshly toasted bread from the oven, and you'll have a treat your friends and family will love. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make bruschetta. To find other videos like this one, be sure to stay tuned to my channel, Cooking with Friends. Ciao!